welcome to another Life of Elena's video. So today's video is going to go over the PPP loan, which is the Paycheck Protection Program. This is the application, like I said, it's PPP Borrower Application Form, revised January the 8th, 2021. So they revised this application this year. There was a lot of fraudulent things going on last year, so they changed different things this year to make sure that that money is going to the correct people. So we're just going to do a walkthrough of the document. That way you know what's on it. And the document will be linked below. All right. And I'll try to link everything that I'm going to be talking about below. But all right. So here we are. We're going to do check one. All right. So if you're a solopreneur, a partnership, if you're an LLC, if you're an independent contractor like an Uber driver or something like that with like a 1099, you can check that. So I'm going to click LLC. Then if you have a DBA or a trade name, you're going to put your name right there. All right. And then we're here at year of establishment. So remember that for the PPP, you had to have been a business on or before February 15th, 2020. So if you became a business after February 15th, 2020, you cannot apply for the PPP loan. Okay, so I just want to be clear on that. Okay, so you're going to pick, like I say, your year of establishment. So let's pick 2019. Okay, so then you're going to put your business legal name right here. Then you're going to do your NAICS code. And like I said, I'll have that link below so you can find your code. And it just tells what industry you're kind of in, what kind of field you're in, your business is in. Okay, so then we have applicants, including affiliates if applicable, meet size standard. So again, they're going over stuff that makes sure that you are eligible for this program. So they're making sure that you're putting in the correct information, you understand. So I'm gonna put no more than 500 employees because that fits for me. Okay, so then you're gonna go down here to business address. So you're gonna put your business address, and like it says, no PO box addresses allowed. So make sure that if it's your home or something like that, make sure that you put that address in there. Then you're going to go over here to the business TIN, which is your EIN or your SSN or social security number. But you're going to put that in there. So if you're like a sole proprietor or something like that, you're going to usually put your social security in. But yeah. And then here you're going to put your business phone number. Make sure it's a phone number that you check often. Make sure that you're available to potentially get this money. All right. And so then we're going to be down here at primary contact. You're going to put your person down there. Then email. Put one that, like I said, you check often. Make sure you put in information in there that somebody is checking often for you. If it's you, then great. If it's somebody else, then make sure that they are checking for everything for you. Okay, let's go down. Okay, so this is the part that confused me, was the average monthly payroll. So me being a single member LLC, I don't have employees necessarily. So I was just like, I don't think that I can get this. That's why I didn't apply the first round last year. But this year I was like, let me check it out. I've been hearing that, people like me can apply. So I just wanted to get more information. So for that, what they're gonna do is we classify under like ownership compensation replacement. So they're gonna use your Schedule C that you usually would have for your business. And by the way, disclaimer, I am not a CPA or a tax preparer or a attorney or anything like that. I'm just a person out here that's just trying to help. So I had to say that. Moving on. Okay, so like I said, that's what they're going to use is your Schedule C. So on your Schedule C is going to be line 31. So look at that number. And then we're going to do like a little bit of math to find out what your number is. So for this one, Schedule C, line 31, I put 5,000. So for that 5,000, you're going to divide that by 12. So that shows you what the monthly cost would be, or the monthly amount that is. And so then you're going to put that in here, and that's where I got that number from. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take that number times that by 2.5, and then that's how you'll get your loan request amount. Okay, so I'm gonna backtrack a little bit. I didn't want things to get too confusing, but so for this, you're gonna multiply that times the 2.5 plus the idle. Okay, so if you got the idle, you may be able to add that, but we're gonna read on. So it says, do not include any idle advance. So make sure that you're checking which idle that you have and either adding that or not adding that, so you can get your final number. Okay, so I just want to go over that both ways. That way you kind of like understand. I hope that helped. Okay, so then we're over here for number of employees. And like I said, as a single member LLC, it's just me. So we're going to pick one. Okay, so here we have the purpose of the loan. Select all that apply. So of course you're going to pick payroll costs, because I'm pretty sure they're trying to protect even your paycheck. You know what I mean? They're trying to make sure that you are getting paid. So, payroll costs. All right. And then if you need like your rent, your mortgage interest, utilities, or any of these other items, some items got added on, like, like for PPP and different things like that. All right. So we're going to go down to ownership, applicant ownership. So list everybody who's has 20% or more in the business. So for me, as a single member LLC, or like if you're a solopreneur, you're gonna pick the owner. The for LLCs is usually member, or like usually for solopreneurs, like it's like owner. So different wording. Just check with your local people and stuff like that for what you need to pick. And then ownership, we're gonna pick 100% because it's like I say, it's just me. Then you're gonna pick the TIN, which is your EIN number or your social security number right here. And your EIN number is pretty much your social security number for your business. If y'all want me to go over a video on how to get your EIN number, drop EIN in the comment section and just let me know. All right, so then we're going to go over to addresses and put that in. Then we're going to move down. We're almost done. Okay. So it says if question 1, 2, 5, or 6 are answered yes, the loan will not be approved. Okay. So I'm right here. If questions 1, 2, 5, or 6 are answered yes, the loan will not be approved. So I just want to, say that again. So I'm not going to read over all of this, but just make sure that you read everything. And then you're going to go down and they're just clarifying some things. So you need to read over that. And then, once you read over everything, it's telling you to initial. And then you're down here to the signature and print your name, date, and your title. And so we're just going to go down the whole form. So you're going to read over everything. Make sure you understand, what you're signing up for. And then down here it has some demographic information, which is optional. It doesn't affect, the loan. And right here they're saying disclosure, this is voluntary. It has no bearings on the loan decision. Okay, sorry about that. But yeah, right here they're telling you that. So it's optional. You don't have to put it, but you can put it. But anyway, so that was the application. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this content. Definitely like, share, and subscribe, and also hit that bell notification so you're the first one to know about new videos. So let's get this money, y'all. Like like Carly B would probably say. All right, bye.